SQL databases are a critical part of many businesses and organizations. They contain important data, such as customer information, financial data, and operational information. In the event of data loss, a SQL backup can be used to restore the database and recover the lost data. Data loss protection. SQL backups are an important security measure to protect data from loss or corruption. In the event of an incident, such as a cyber attack or human error, a SQL backup can be used to restore the database and recover the lost data. Damaged database recovery. Even if an incident does not occur, it is possible that the database may become damaged. For example, a system error or hardware problem could damage the database files. In these cases, a SQL backup can be used to restore the database and restore its functionality. Database migration. A SQL backup can be used to migrate a database from one server to another. This can be useful if you want to upgrade the server or if you want to move the database to a new environment. Here are some tips for restoring a SQL backup. Perform regular database backups. The more often you perform backups, the more recent the data you can recover in case of loss or corruption. Store backups in a safe location. backups must be stored in a safe location so that you can access them in case of need. Test backups regularly. It is important to test backups to ensure they are functional. This can be done by restoring a backup to a test server.